Hello guys. How to make money writing emails. What is the best email marketing app? Where to get best email marketing software? Which platform I need to use for email marketing? Then, we are here to answer your questions. Let us jump into the video. By the by, if you are new to our channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and share and comment and press the bell icon to our channel so that you can get immediate updates. The links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. You've Got Mail. Remember that 1998 movie starring Tom Hanks and Meg Ryan? When Nora and Delia Ephron wrote the script for the movie, they had no idea how just important emails would be to a company's bottom line some 20 years later. Today, just about every person on the planet gets emails. And, I can't think of a company that doesn't use it as a marketing channel in some form. According to a 2017 email statistics report by the Radicati Group, 269 billion emails are being sent every day. That works out to over 11 billion emails an hour. That's a lot of crowded inboxes. Yet, two things are happening. That number keeps growing, despite the additional communication channels like text, social media, video chatting, instant messaging, and more. All the metrics used to determine success, like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates show that email marketing is as strong as ever. In fact, 81% of U.S. companies believe email marketing drives customer acquisition and 80% believe it drives customer retention. In plain speak, that means companies are using email to get customers and to keep them. Both critical tasks for a company's bottom line. Obviously, all this email communication has created a huge ongoing demand for email writers. Why write emails? When it comes to launching your freelance writing career and getting paid to write in the shortest time possible, writing email copy gives you every possible advantage. Easy to learn. You could realistically learn how to write email copy in 1 week. In fact, I have personally seen some folks become competent at it in less than a week. You can write them fast. Typically, writing a single email may take an hour or two. The more of them you write, the quicker you'll get. Obviously, I've been doing this for a while, but I can write a single email in as little as 30 minutes. Plenty of work. Emails are the cheapest and most effective way to stay in touch with past, present, and future customers. Any business that is serious about making more money will email their customers on a regular basis, usually daily. Short writing projects. Most emails are only 300 to 800 words, making them quick projects to start and finish. Better than average pay. Even if you are new to writing email copy, you could realistically charge $100, $300, $750, even $1,250 or more per email you write, depending on its intention. The closer you are to the sale, the more money you'll typically charge. Fees add up quickly. Most potential clients will need anywhere from 3 to 10 emails at a time. Depending on how much you're charging, those fees can really add up. And here's something else you may not realize about the email writing opportunity. There is a ton of variety. Enough for you to pick and choose the types of email copy you want to write. Plus, most companies use more than one type, so you can be booked solid with just a few clients. Let's look at 5 of the most in-demand email types. In-demand type number 1. Lead generation follow-up. Many companies, especially in the business-to-business industry where companies are selling to other businesses instead of consumers like you and me, have a long sales cycle that starts with generating leads. A lead is a potential buyer who raised their hand to say, "I'm interested," by filling out a form, downloading a white paper, signing up for a free trial of the software, etc. The lead knows the product exists, and is already considering making a purchase. So the intention of these emails is to move the person forward with their buying decision, either by answering questions or encouraging them to talk to a sales rep who can close the deal. In-demand type number 2. Email funnels. Email funnels are similar to lead generation follow-up in that they are sent to someone who is a potential buyer. But they're usually a bit less aware of the product. With email funnels, someone signs up for a webinar, free report, or free training on a topic related to the product your client is selling. And because the person is interested in a particular topic, the company then tries to sell a product or service they feel is of interest. For example, maybe your client is selling a supplement to reduce inflammation. They may offer a free report on the 10 risks you face if you have too much inflammation in your body. The person who downloads the report isn't necessarily looking for a supplement at the time, but they are interested in the risks inflammation poses for them, and are therefore a good potential buyer. There are usually 5 to 7 emails in the sequence, but can go much higher. You can get paid just to write the emails. Or, you can get paid $1,500 to $2,000 to develop the email strategy, and then get paid again to write the emails. These emails are often automated, which means they run on their own. And once someone turns into a buyer thanks to your emails, they move on to the email list for our next set of in-demand emails. In-demand type number 3, post-purchase onboarding sequences. These emails are all about customer experience. They've purchased a product, and now you want to help them receive the benefits from consuming it. Whether it's a workout program, a financial newsletter, training, or anything in between, you know the buyer won't benefit until they use it. So your job here is to keep them engaged and get them using the product. You might show them how to get started, point out exciting features, see what questions they have, anything that helps them move forward towards the solution they were looking for when they first made the purchase. In-demand type number 4, content emails. Advertorials. Content writing is one of the most misunderstood opportunities in the writing industry. I hear writers say that they're not a sales writer. They write content. Yet the purpose of good content, the kind clients pay writers $300 to $500 to write, is to prepare the reader for the sale. Ultimately, every business is selling something. That's why they're in business. And if you as a content writer can help those sales happen, you'll make good money and be in high demand. Content emails, also known as advertorials, are similar to articles and blog posts you see on a website. The only difference is they have a sales intention. They may never even mention a product or service. But the entire piece of content is preparing the reader for the solution the product provides. And at the end, there will be a clear call to action to learn more by visiting a sales promo or other type of sales copy. This is a great opportunity for writers who get content. Along with great fees, this one can be set up on retainer, where you agree to write a set amount of pieces each month, and your clients in return will pay you the same amount month after month. In-demand type number 5, direct sales emails. This is where my direct response copywriter friends will want to live, mainly because it's where you can expect the highest pay, $750 to $1,250. Unlike the other emails, in this one, you are going to ask for the sale. And the closer you are to the sale, the more you can expect to make. If you've taken the time to learn about direct response copywriting, and put those superpowers to use, but don't have the interest, focus, time, or attention span to write a 20-page sales letter, this opportunity is for you. So, you can see, there are loads of ways to make money writing emails. How to choose your email writing path. Now that you've got an idea of some of the in-demand email projects you can write, it's really a matter of deciding whom you want to write for. Do you want to write emails to consumers like yourself or for prospects for businesses? There is no wrong answer here. Emails are great copy projects for every skill level from up and coming to advanced. Plus, as email marketing has grown in demand, we've expanded the online learning programs we offer, so you can keep your skills focused and up to date with your target market. As said before, all the links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. Thank you so much.